If you're encountering the verification required issue on your iPhone when trying to download apps from the App Store, don't worry, we're going to show you how to fix it. This problem typically arises due to payment method issues, or it could be related to your Apple ID settings. Here's how to fix it. Solution 1. Update your payment information. Open Settings. Tap your Apple ID at the top of the screen. Select Payment and Shipping. Tap Add Payment Method or update the existing payment method details. Ensure that all the details are accurate and up to date. Solution 2. Check location and review your purchase history. Open Settings. Tap your Apple ID at the top of the screen. Select Media and Purchases. Tap View Account. Tap Subscription. There should not be any pending payments for any apps or games. Also, find out country or region. Make sure to select correct location of your country. Now scroll down and tap Purchase History. Review any outstanding payments or issues that need resolving. If there is payment pending, you need to solve it as well. Lastly, tap Manage Payment. Find out your billing address. Make sure every information is valid from here as well. Check your Apple ID settings. Open Settings. Tap your Apple ID at the top of the screen. Select Media and Purchases. Tap Sign Out. Restart your iPhone and sign back into your Apple ID. Solution 3. Clear App Store cache. Open Setting. Scroll down. Tap App Store. Scroll down. Tap Personalized Recommendation. Tap Clear App Usage Data. Solution 4. Disable Face ID or Touch ID for App Store purchases. Open Setting. Scroll down and tap Face ID and Passcode or Touch ID and Passcode. Toggle off iTunes and App Store. This will prompt you to manually enter your password for App Store purchases, which might resolve the verification issue. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the verification required issue on your iPhone. If this guide helped, let me know in the comments below.